Welcome to this product promotional video where we're just going to run you through the contents of the free OnCall GK dual meter bundle that we've got on offer on Valuemed currently. We've got 200 of these further to give away. We ran this promotion end of last year and it proved really successful. So the manufacturers have supported us again with further stock of this dual GK meter with strips. So the OnCall GK is a combined meter, blood meter that does both blood glucose, which is sugar levels, and blood ketone levels. Now, this is proving popular in two marketplaces. One, the diabetics that are on insulin and really needing to keep a good, close, accurate eye on their blood sugar levels and impending ketone levels. But the other market that's developing is twofold. One is maturity onset diabetics that are taking in hand their diet and wanting to try and reverse their diabetes. So they're checking their sugar and their ketone levels as part of their ketogenic diet where they're losing weight. And also straightforward ketogenic diets where diabetes isn't a risk currently, but where people are wanting to monitor accurately their current beta ketone levels consequent to their carb restriction, and they're really monitoring their success of their fat burn by looking at their ketone levels throughout the course of the day. So, three reasons why this is a great offer for you. The OnCall GK will give you the ability to do both blood glucose and ketones. This free offer is really targeted at the ketone market because it's a bundle with 2 packs of ketone test strips. Each pack of the OnCall ketone test strips includes 25 individual test strips, so 25 blood test ability in each pack. You're getting in this combination pack 50 test strips, and this meter, which would normally retail for around £25, you're getting free. So you're just paying for the OnCall test strips. Now what you get, if you haven't done this testing before, the meter pack, this is important for people that haven't done previous testings. If the box is opened, what you get in there in terms of the gubbins, after you've taken out the warranty card, the instructions and all the rest of it, is just the OnCall dual meter, which is the electronic meter. Yeah. The 2 batteries that you put in to actually power it up and set the time and dates, and we've done separate videos on setup, which we'll put links to in this video showing you how to do that. And this little thing, a ketone control solution, but you don't, spot what's missing, you don't get any lancets and you don't get a lancing device. Now if you're a diabetic and you've got all that kit to hand, then no problems. But otherwise, if you're ordering this from us or off any of the other websites that we've listed this on through our partners, then to get yourself testing, although you've got the ketone test strips, you will need to consider the purchase of a lancing device and some lancets, which are the needle sticks that go in the lancing device and let you prick your finger to get your blood sample to run these tests. So just be aware of that as far as this offer, those aren't included. The other thing, if you're going to look at this and want the full pack to be able to do the glucose, by all means buy this starter kit to get the free meter, but you will need to buy some OnCall Chosen, and it's very important that you go for the Chosen brand within the OnCall range, because that's the only blood glucose test strip that will work and give you the glucose function on this meter. You can't put any of the other OnCall blood glucose test strips into this meter, it must be Chosen. So there you go, just a little bit of guide and advice when you're looking at this meter. We'll put links on the bottom of this video that take you through to this offer currently on Valuemed. I say, I don't know when you're going to be viewing this video. We've got 200, hopefully it will be repeated in the future, but it is on the basis of first come first served. When they're gone, they're gone.